Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about birds. Students, you must have seen birds flying around your houses, but do you know their names?
No, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. Now I am going to take you to the magical world of birds. Crow. This is a crow. Seek a crow. Crow's color is black. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S sparrow. A sparrow is a small food cranes. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrot. It is green in color. Parrot eats chilies. Peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock. A peacock looks very beautiful because he is the national bird of India. He loves rain. Duck. This is a duck. The duck. Duck is white in color. Duck lives in water. Duck eat fish and frog. Crane. This is a crane. Seek a crane. Crane eats fish and frog. Crane white in color. Eagle. This is an eagle. Eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. Eagle eats snakes and rabbits. Owl. This is an owl. Owl. Owl comes out of his nest only in the night. It is rat and other small creatures. Kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. Kingfisher. It's blue and orange in color. It eats fish. Students, now I will show you some pictures of birds and you will give me the answers. Which bird is this? Now students, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now start. Which bird is this?
Ma'am, it's a crow.
Very good. What is his color?
Ma'am, his color is black.
Very good. Okay, now you tell me which bird is blue and orange in color?
Ma'am, kingfisher.
Very good. Now students, tell me fast, which bird is this?
Ma'am, It's a sparrow.
Very good. Now tell me which bird is this?
Ma'am, owl.
Okay. Which is this bird?
Ma'am, pigeon.
Very good. Which bird is this? It can fly high in the sky. Come on, give me the answer. Who give me the answer?
Ma'am, eagle.
Very good. Which bird is this? It eats chilies. Its color is green.
Ma'am, it's a parrot.
Very good. Students, you enjoy this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Now students, let's recite a rhyme, birdie. Birdies fly by flopping their wings. Birdies fly by flopping their wings. They make their nest. They make their nest with leaves and other things. With leaves and other things. One big and two little feet. One big and two little feet. Birdies sing wee, wee, wee. Birdie, birdie, fly away. Birdie, birdie, fly away. Come to my window every day. Come to my window every day. One more birdie with you do bring. One more birdie with you do bring. Together then two birdie will sing. Together then two birdie will sing. Fly away birdie, fly away birdie. Birds fly by flopping their wings. Birds fly by flopping their wings. They make their nest. They make their nest. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this time. Now students, let's recite a story, Thirsty Crow. Once hot summer day, a crow became very thirsty. He flew in search of water, but he did not get water. He was going to die for want of water. Oh my God, I am feeling so thirsty. At last, he saw a pitcher. He at once flew it with great delight. The water was so low that the crow could not drink it. Then the crow tried to pick the pot, but he could not. He tried again and again to overturn the pitcher, but he failed. But there was very little water at the bottom of the pitcher. He looked around and saw some pebbles laying nearby. He took the pebbles one by one, dropped them into the pitcher. The water reached the neck of the pitcher. The crow drank after to his heart's content and fly away. The moral of the story is, where there is a will, there is a way. Students, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Students, stay in touch, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.